Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we are discussing about defining an array and then using a loop to set the array's element values. As you can see in here, we have an array which is called n and it has 5 elements. Now here in this for loop, I'm trying to print the value of the elements of the n array. Like any other local variable, uninitialized array elements, they contain garbage values. So if we are trying to print the elements of the n array, they will have garbage values. Now as you can see here, I'm trying to print the values of the elements of this array using a for loop, and I'm using a counter control variable I, which the type of this variable is size t. The C standard says that size t represents an unassigned integral type, and it's recommended to be used for any variable that is representing an array size or subscript. The type size t is defined here in the std_diff.h, which this header is included in the standard input-output header, so that's why we do not need to include it. And the conversion specification that we use to print the size t variables, it is this one, ZU conversion specification. Now let's go and run this program and we can see the values of the elements of array. You can see that we have some garbage values in here. Now let's go and try to set the values for this array. Here we have a for loop which will go through each one of the elements of the array, and it will try to initialize these elements to 0. Now if I try to print the values of the elements of the array, you can see that they are all initialized to 0. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.